I went against a bandit dude earlier when I was playing.
They have a guy named Oscar.
Oscar.
I
Like
heard
That's the most funniest name. I don't know why.
I hate these some of these
That's
TikTok
like the
people.
most funniest name.
Fake ass
Oscar.
niggas. To the right, Vader. No matter what.
Oh god.
To the right. Vader!
I'm at the right.
I know. I'm just.
I'm
You're
here.
gonna die. Yeah,
And
don't
they're
die
going for me.
like don't die so quickly.
Like a bitch.
Sniper in mid, sniper in mid.
Like a bitch and hate.
I hate you, Oscar.
What?
I thought you had the funniest name in the whole universe. Now I hate you.
Now you should friend
I
him.
really hate you.
Right. Damn, what
Yeah.
the fuck is that?
Whoever sometime we're about to die. Bro.
Our main goal
Oh, I got
is
the
to
oh,
not get
oh, I got
knocked
two.
out.
Go.
Good stuff, Vader.
Sniper.
Help me! Help me!
Got him.
Dang, dude! Dead! Got him. Let's go.
Let's go.
What's up, guys?
He's in there, right here, to the left. He's right here. God!
Nice.
Take the fucking die. Got you, ho, like shit. You trying to fucking play video games, bro. What the fuck you doing? You get in that tower. Never mind. Damn!
Up top, up top.
It's like fucking war!
Oh, they got some hits on me.
Behind the tower.
Hands out to me. Hands out to one side.
In mid.
Got
Snipers
you.
in mid. Ooh! Get the sniper! That's it! Fuck him up! Work together, shit! Get his monkey ass! Oh!
You got me. Sniper got me. Get on tower.
I'm off. Stay on it.
Yes.
Oh, I'm not jumping.
I got it straight in.
I'm not jumping.
Yeah, you should have jumped.
Yeah, that's smart move jumping back.
Do not jump to me.
Good plays.
Oh, one's on the side. And sniper got me.
Got me. Yeah.
Dude, the freaking teamwork.
Oh, man.
Yeah,
Tag to stream.
And I'm lagging a bit.
So, what, Cosmo?
I
don't know if I was. Yeah.
No.
No. Stop chasing me. Damn. Ready for a tournament tomorrow, my guys? Ready for a tournament? Shit.
That's me.
You see?
I'm practicing for a tournament looking
I
at.
really hate those.
Yeah, walk the plank in town, nigga.
If you really think about it, when you're playing League late at night and you pair up with someone, they're always gonna be a sweat. Who plays League at 5 a.m.?
Right.
You apparently.
We're trying to win a tournament.
I got.
We're gonna make it, guys. If we dedicate ourselves to practicing every fucking day. Fuck you! No!
Did he just squid bag me?
Yeah, they will. They will do that. When the male lion finds a prey, he will hump him before eating.
They will hump him.
We do have to go to
You bitch! You ugly turtle looking.
Oh god. What I like is that Vader's not disconnected.
Oh fuck.
But wait till the match when we have the chance to win.
Exactly. Right at the very end. We need Vader.
That one was
get on
not
the
there.
tower.
One more point.
Vader,
I
no,
disconnected.
Thanos just snaps him away, just disappears.
Time's up.
Why am I the only one getting blamed for this?
Cause
I don't know yet.
Playing Smash.
You shouldn't be blamed. He had the best kill ratio.
Exactly.
Yeah, he's talking about the Smash
Cosby over
this
here.
Cosby.
Because he's not trying as hard. That's why. He's not wasting the 100% of his power yet.
No, it's not. Ready up.
You only use 10%. You only use 10%. Packs. He doesn't want.
Just shut it down.
Actually, you know what?
The moment sleep tries to creep in, shut it down. Ready up.